parents, this is the fastest way to teach your child the sounds of the consonants. Remember, as soon as they learn the letter sound, you get them reading right away. So the sooner they learn the sounds, the sooner they're going to be reading, and that's exciting. Now, the trick is they do have to know the names of the letters. So they have to know the name of every single letter. So then you take the ones that sound just like their names. All of these, B, B, D, D, F, they all sound like their name. So you teach those first, which is just a tiny step further than learning their ABCs. Throw in a vowel like short A, and they can read this book right away. I mean, they still have to be able to blend the two sounds, but still, they're so close now.